Hi everyone. So when you go into Delta Math, you're going to see this type of assignment that pops up. This is just a way for you to experiment using elimination when we have to multiply both equations. So they gave us our system, which is negative 8x plus 6y is equal to 14, and negative 5x plus 2y is equal to negative 7. So what you want to do as so what you want to do is just to identify the variable you want to get rid of. I decided to go with y's, and right now I just wrote out the multiples of the 2 and the 6 because those are the numbers in front. Now with these multiples, remember we want to find the least common multiple, so I'm going to use 6. Right? And I have to remember, right, for me to cancel out the y's, one of the 6's has to be a negative and one of them has to be a positive. So I'm trying to change the y's to look like this over here because they will equal 0. So the numbers I'm going to choose here, I have a positive 6. So I'm okay with that positive 6 being as is. I'm just going to leave it alone. With this 2y, I want that to be a negative 6. So I'm going to multiply the whole thing by negative 3. And then right over here, I'm just going to go ahead and calculate. So it's like I'm adding so negative 8 plus 15, that would be, hold on, that would be 7, 7x. 6y plus negative 6y, that's a 0. And then 14 plus 21, that is just 35. And then we're going to try this. And then it's just walking us through the process. So now I have to do 7x is equal to 35. I need to solve for x. And we know we have to use inverse operation. So we're going to divide 7 on both sides. And we should get a 5. All right? So no errors so far. So I found what x is. Now I got to go ahead and find out what y is. So I'm going to take my x value, and let's say we'll plug it into this one, that original equation. So we have negative 5x plus 2y is equal to negative 7. Instead of writing an x, I'm just going to put a 5 plus 2y is equal to a negative 7. And then we're going to solve this. So this over here, it would be negative 25 plus 2y, hold on, is equal to a negative 7, right? And then we want to go ahead and just isolate the 2y. So if I did negative 7 plus 25, that's going to be 18. 2y is equal to 18. I just divide 2 on both sides, and y is equal to 9. So you want to make sure you have your pencil and paper, your notebook handy so you can do the math. And then we just have to write our coordinates. So this would be 5, 9. Yep, that's my final answer. And there, it works out. It's correct. Okay. So this is just walking you through how to sorry, how to use elimination when you're multiplying both equations. And you'll have more problems where it won't walk you through this, but it'll just be plain systems that you have to use elimination.